Hello, my name is Sintadi Maharani. I am from 10 Pharmacy. I have an English segment that is the video of personal context. This video is used as the middle test assessment. Here we go. Holiday to Telaga Sarangan. On Saturday, 22nd October 2023, I went on holiday to Lake Sarangan with my mother, uncle, bude, auntie, and 4 friends. We left at around 12 p.m. by car. Along the way, I fell asleep because I was already late at night, so I could hold back the terrible sleepiness. The journey to Lake Sarangan was very far, so I was uncomfortable because I had slept sitting in the car for too long. After 10 minutes of the journey, the car I was riding instantly stopped. I had arrived at my destination, but it turned out that my uncle wanted to rest for a while at the rest area that I usually visit by tourists. We all got out of the car to eat. After I ate, I took out my cell phone from my bag to look at the time. It turned out the time was already 15 minutes past 4. Not long after that, the sound of the call to prayer resounded. I and the author were as soon as possible to carry out the morning prayer. After praying, I and the author entered the car to continue our journey. Throughout the journey, I was very dizzy because the road we were on was like a snake, where we had to turn and follow the correct direction. In approximately 2 hours, I arrived at my destination at 7. The weather at that time was very cold, but I was surprised by a very amazing view that I had never seen before. When I got there, I walked around an occasional bag food that looked delicious. But I did go around the Sarangan Lake because to go around it we have to walk quite far and it takes a lot of energy. After a few minutes, my cousin and I wanted to take a speedboat because there were speedboat rental for tourists with a nominal value 60,000 per person. When I boarded the speedboat, my heart was very happy because I could go around Lake Sarangan, which I didn't know about at the time. When we were on the edge of the Sarangan Lake, we were allowed to take photos of the beautiful scenic phenomena. After boarding the speedboat, my cousin and I took photos with people on Pinterest. After spending a long time having fun, we were called to board the car and continue our journey. I went to my big brother's house at around 12 noon. Along the way, I enjoyed very beautiful natural view because the area was close to the mountains. After we arrived at our destination, we were warmly welcomed by the family there. I took time to rest for approximately 2 hours. After 40 minutes past 1, I took a shower and also performed the tour prayer followed by lunch, which had been prepared by my buddy's family. After eating, we were invited by the family there to see the garden and also the view on the hill. The journey to the hill is very steep, but I was really rewarded with the view above. There is a standing hanging area such as a substation style that blends with the atmosphere around the hill. There is also a swing that has a backdrop for people housed from the top of the hill. I took a lot of photos there. On the hill, there is not only a beautiful view, but there are also many vegetable plantations that grow abundantly and freshly. After we played for house, it was already 5 p.m. so I and the other we down from the hill to go home. After we arrived, we tweed up all the necessities we had broke and put them back in our bags. After everyone was ready, we said goodbye to going home immediately so we weren't late at night. In the car, I was very tired and lethargic, but it was all worth it with all the view I considered there. After a few minutes, I fell asleep soundly and did enjoy the view along the way. After a long journey, I arrived home at 20 minutes past 12 at night. When I got home, I changed into my sleeping clothes and went back continue my sleep. That's the story of my holiday. See you.